What is the Gold Academy and how to use?
The Gold Academy is a group of interconnected people, mostly like-minded, who prioritize financial freedom, time for themselves, family, hobbies, etc. Our academy takes place throughout the year, the main focus of which is on a secure and stable relationship with the gold market, where we have been learning and updating our strategy for successful trading on the gold market since 2009, i.e. 13 years. The main foundation of the academy is the focus on publishing quality or winning gold signals every day the market is open. The user's goal is to trade the gold market with our signals, while in parallel they learn to produce their analysis based on our 13 years of experience, which we build on day by day, and turn into winning days, weeks, months, and years. The academy is attended by 2 experienced forex gold traders, who in recent years have been practicing asset hedging on the gold market in parallel. Xauusd is the founder of goldsignals.net and started trading on various markets back in 2006. Strong Clinchin, on the other hand, entered the financial market with a parallel start and has achieved a 92% success rate of gold analyses in 13 years. Gold Academy is a limited version of the VIP Telegram group, which we will close to a private group for reasons of unnecessary overload, as we already have 120 plus active users and traders. In addition to successful gold analyses and educational purposes, daily signals, Gold Academy also offers monitoring of active events on the gold market. By the end of 2022, we will upgrade the group with certain useful candies, which will be presented at a later date. The VIP Telegram group will also be closed in 2022. Since you have read the mail to the end, I assume that you are also interested in the Academy. That's why I've put together an offer as part of Black Friday 2022 that you shouldn't resist.
Check out gold-signals.net and take advantage of Black Friday discounts today.